Children are like buds in a garden. They should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, since they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow. Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, members of the School Management Committee, teachers, parents, and dear friends, good morning to one and all. We are all gathered here to celebrate Children's Day together. There are some things which money cannot buy, and one such thing is childhood. Let me begin by wishing each one of you a happy Children's Day. Prayer should be our first response to every situation. So let's begin our program with a prayer song by Class 11. Indeed, a very beautiful rendition of the prayer song. Now I invite Sophia for the welcome speech.
What would be life without children? It would be like a world without sun, moon and stars. Children are the little angels of God. Happy Children's Day. Honorable members of the School Management Committee, respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Good morning one and all. We are all gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. In fact, November 14th is the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, who was a legendary freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of independent India. In the memory of Jawaharlal Nehru and to honor his love for children, November 14th is celebrated as Children's Day every year in India. He rightly said, God is the closest to children because their hearts and minds are pure and innocent. Children are the future of our country. Children must be appreciated and treated with lots of love and affection. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to celebrate Children's Day with Indian School IBRI. Sit back and enjoy the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Sophia, for your words of welcome. May I now invite our Honorable Principal for Children's Day message.
Dear students, very good morning to all of you. And first of all, let me take this opportunity to wish you all a happy Children's Day. Today is your day. And as all you are aware, November 14th, we celebrate it as the Children's Day since it is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. For some people, we celebrate their birthdays, even still they are not alive. What is the reason behind that? It's so simple that we would like to remember them very much, and we have to learn a lot from them. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great leader, was an eminent personality with a lot of skills to deal with different types of people in an amicable way. Apart from all his leadership qualities and other great personality traits, he was a true lover of children. He realized that children are the strength of the nation. They build the nation. So, to commemorate his birthday, it is dedicated for the children to celebrate it as the Children's Day. My dear ones, as rightly told by William Wordsworth, child is the father of man. Children are having great potential within them. And this particular potential, which is present there in immense in each and every child, makes them more and more strong than the adult man. And this makes them powerful, and their potential can make changes in the society. My dear students, this is what I have to reiterate. You are the children, you are the individuals who can only bring a right change in the world, in the society, and can bring the nation as well as the world in high prosperity. That you have to do the work for that. In this instance, let me bring your notice. Two of our students of Indian School IBRI have brought laurels to the institution. One is Master Sheikh Muhammad Tawsif, who completed his class 12 in 2019-20 batch, and in this year he got admission to the Indian Institute of Technology, which is a great dream for most of the students in the country, because IIT, the commonly called Indian Institute of Technology, are the institutions of the first grade institutions of the nation. And he got this achievement because of his hard working and because of his determination. So hard work with the determination can bring any sort of your aim, any sort of your goal, any sort of your achievement towards you. So let me take this opportunity to congratulate him and wish him all the very best. The next, Master Naveen Kumar, who got admission in this academic year to one of the famous universities in Pakistan, Aga Khan University, for his medicine in the merit seat. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate him, also wish him all the very best. These two instances, it shows that one, if you are truly determined, if you are ready to hard work, there is a way to win. You can achieve your goal. So this is my request and advice to all of you, that in your life, if you want to achieve something, the first thing is you have to make an objective, a goal, set a goal in your mind. Work for it with strong determination. Then the world is yours, the success is yours. Also, let me take the verses from the Sanskrit. Pradame na arjida vidya, didiye na arjidam dhanam, tridiye na arjidam punyam, chaturthe ki karishyasi. Which means, what can you do in the fourth part of your life when you have not gained knowledge in the first, money in the second, and merit in the third part of your life. Dear students, you have to think about this. Now, this is the first part of your life, wherein you have to put your major effort on gaining knowledge. You have to set the goal, you have to get the knowledge so that the world is yours. The next part, okay, it will come along with you. The money will come, the name, the fame will come. That means the merit will come. So everything will come to you. But it should have a strong foundation. That is the duty that you have to perform now to get a strong base, and that is the purpose of education. So take it seriously and get the success in the life. Once again, I wish you all the very best in this auspicious occasion. Also, I would like to take this particular opportunity to thank everybody, the students, the teacher community, and all who has taken a lot of effort to make this day a wonderful one and memorable one. So once again, thank you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words on this auspicious day. Now, let me invite our respected Vice Principal to deliver the Children's Day message.
Every child born into this world is a new gift of God. Respected Principal, dear teachers, and loving children, pleasant morning to you all. Children, at the outset, let me wish you all a happy Children's Day. November 14th is celebrated as the Children's Day across India. November 14th is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was a great scholar, freedom fighter, and a great luminary of India. He had immense love and affection for children, and he believed that children are the future of tomorrow. On this auspicious day, we pay our tribute and honor to him. He had a lovely bond with the children, and the children were very much fond of him and affectionately called him Chacha Nehru. On this day, let us take a pledge and promise ourselves that we will ensure the safety of every child in this world and also work towards providing each and every child with the right to education. And no child should be deprived of love, care, and concern. Let me conclude with the wonderful quote by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children are the buds in the garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation. Once again, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words. May I now invite our beloved teachers with Children's Day messages.
Good morning, my dear most loving children. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. It fills my heart with immense gratitude that I get to experience the innocent smiles and the true love of you all. My dear loving children, may your tomorrow be as bright as the light you illuminate in this world. It is you within whom lies all the freshness and magic, the big dreams packed in your twinkling eyes, boundless love in the unbiased hearts, to make the strength to make the impossible happen in your little hands. Children, just believe in your potentials and blossom in your own domain. May you be what you want to be. May you become the great leaders of tomorrow. My dream is to see your dreams come true. I long for the day your great achievements will be celebrated. Make us proud. Make your parents, the nation, proud. My heartfelt love to you all, my dear most loving children. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. May God bless you all. Love you all, children. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Stay blessed.
To all my loving students, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Always work hard to achieve your goals, and nothing will be impossible for you in your life. Keep the child within you always alive. Thank you, children. Wish you all the best.
Dear children, let each day of the year bring you lots of happiness, cheer, good health, fun and sunshine. As you grow up, you will shoulder greater responsibilities and will have more commitments to make. That responsibility would be towards yourself, your careers, your parents, your family and your nation. You cannot afford to be indifferent or irresponsible then. Live in the present and enjoy the tasks ahead of you. Do not do them grudgingly. Do it as they were the most exciting tasks on earth. The self-created excitement will leave you more satisfied and fulfilled. Moreover, when you grow up, what you will remember fondly are these things you disliked. Work selflessly, be sensitive, care for others, learn to respect others, and develop strength. Obstacles come into our lives to prepare us for something bigger. Treat them as opportunities and you will never fail in life. My dear children, you are born to lead the nation. Happy Children's Day to you all.
Respected Principal, Vice Principal, SMC members, teachers, parents, and my dear students, pleasant morning to you all. At the very outset, I wish you a happy Children's Day. This day marks the birth anniversary of our late Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, which is celebrated across India. Children's Day is your day. It's a day filled with innocence, love, and purity that you all bring to this world. With big dreams packed in your twinkling eyes, boundless love in your unbiased hearts, and the strength to make the impossible happen in your tiny hands, you have the potential to transform tomorrow. Every one of you is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful, sweet-smelling garden. We missed your voices and the unusual noise of children. Once again, the walls are reverberating with your laughter. The pandemic has almost bypassed us, but we must continue to remain alert. May success and revitalization come your way, and may you light your school life with a new resolve. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello, my dear children. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. You are the little angels of God and the best hope for the future. May God Almighty always keep you in His tender care. Stay happy forever. Once again, wishing you all a very happy and lovely Children's Day. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day, dear children. May happiness and sunshine always fill your world. God bless.
Respected Principal, teachers, parents, and my loving children. We all have gathered to celebrate the celebration of Children's Day. Today, on the occasion of Children's Day, I'd like to present my thoughts on the celebration and the importance of children. In the United Nations Assembly, 20th November was officially declared as Children's Day. But in India, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November as the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. He loved to play and talk with children. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. However, while fulfilling his political responsibility towards the country, he preferred to be among the children. He was a very friendly person, always motivating and encouraging children to become patriotic and happy citizens. He was very inspirational and inspired in nature. Children used to call him Chacha Nehru because of his love and affection. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of roses and children throughout his life. Once he said that children are like the birds in the garden. He was very concerned about the condition of the children in the country as he considered children the country's future. He wanted the children to be nurtured by their parents with great care and love for the country's bright future. He considered children are the real strength of the country. He loved both girls and boys equally and believed in providing them equal opportunities for the real development of the nation. Children affectionately called him Chacha Nehru. After the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, his birthday was celebrated as Children's Day all over India. It is involved in various types of activities like fancy dress competition, singing competitions, etc. are organized on this day. He had set an excellent example for the youngsters, parents and teachers of our country. In this era of technology, we all have complaints and most of the lack of time. Nehruji proved that all these barriers have been built up by our minds. Even though the Children's Day celebration organization tells the importance of children in bringing the future of the country. The objective of organizing this festival is for all Indian citizens to protect their young children from all harm and provide them a better childhood. Nowadays, children are falling prey to many types of social evils like drug, child abuse, alcohol, sex, labor, violence, etc. They are forced to work hard at a very young age to get a little money. They are deprived of a healthy life, parental love, education, and other childhood joys. Children are the valuable assets of the nation, as well as the hope of the future and tomorrow. So, they should get proper care and love. So, on this day, let us unite together to bring a glow on the face of our younger generation. Let us decide that these birds in this garden which God has given us will be taken care of in the best way so that they have a bright future. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, teachers, for your inspiring words. Today, we have a special guest among us, a former student of Indian School Ipri, Mohammad Tausif, who got selected in Indian Institute of Technology for Bachelor's of Technology. First of all, let me congratulate you, Tausif, for your great success. Now, over to Monisha for the rest of the session.
Thank you, Alicia. Good morning to one and all. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Now, I warmly welcome a former student of our school, Mohammad Tausif, who got selected into IIT this year. First of all, allow me to congratulate you for your achievement. It is a proud moment for you and for the school. We are glad to have you for this auspicious occasion. As you're present with us today, we have a few questions for you. The decision to take up mechanical engineering as your major and develop a career might have not been a lone one. Interest in this domain might have been kindled in you at some point. As we know, teachers play an important role in our lives. Is there any teacher who inspired you in that regard?
Well, I had the fortunate chance of being taught by wonderful teachers at Indian School Ipri who inspired me to work hard and believed in me, which definitely did help me in motivating myself to give my best in academics.
As a child and as a student, there might have been certain subjects that might have interested you and garnered your passion. We are eager to know about your favorite subject.
Favorite subject? Well, I am a math geek and I also like physics, so those two are definitely my favorite subjects.
It is a known fact that the academic atmosphere one strives in influences his or her future choices when it comes to education. Would you like to give us a few lines about your experience in studying at Indian School IBRI and also your future career options?
Career options. Again, as I mentioned, the faculty here is wonderful. It's experienced and quite approachable, and they do go above and beyond the requirements to make sure that students can excel academically. In addition, the school also conducted various presentations and seminars to provide the much needed exposure a student needs to make sure they know all their possible career options. And it did definitely help me in zoning in on my future steps.
Thank you so much for being with us today. You have become an inspiration to all of us, and it was great to hear your thoughts. Now, over to Alicia for the rest of the session.
Thank you, Monisha. Here comes the most awaited moment. Now I invite our beloved teachers with their performances.
ചന്ദ്രികയിലലിയുന്നു ചന്ദ്രകാന്തം ചന്ദ്രികയിലലിയുന്നു ചന്ദ്രകാന്തം നിൻ ചിരിയിലലിയുന്നു ജീവരാഗം ചന്ദ്രികയിലലിയുന്നു ചന്ദ്രകാന്തം നിൻ ചിരിയിലലിയുന്നു ജീവരാഗം നീലവാനിലലിയുന്നു രാഗമേഘം നിൻമിഴിയിലലിയുന്നു ജീവമേഘം താരകയോ നീലത്താമരയോ നിൻ താരണി കണ്ണിൽ കതിർ ചൊരിഞ്ഞോ വർണ്ണമോഹമോ പോയ പുണ്യജന്മമോ നിൻ മാനസത്തിൻ പ്രേമ മധു പകർന്നോ ചന്ദ്രികയിലലിയുന്നു ചന്ദ്രകാന്തം നിൻ ചിരിയിലലിയുന്നു ജീവരാഗം
ഉണ്ണികളെ ഒരു കഥ പറയാം, ഈ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴലിൻ കഥ പറയാം. പുൽമേട്ടിലോ പൂങ്കാറ്റിലോ, പുൽമേട്ടിലോ പൂങ്കാറ്റിലോ, എങ്ങോ പിറന്നു പണ്ടിളമുളം കൂട്ടിൽ. ഉണ്ണികളെ ഒരു കഥ പറയാം, ഈ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴലിൻ കഥ പറയാം. മഞ്ഞും മണിത്തെന്നലും തരും കുഞ്ഞുമ്മ കൈമാറിയും വേനൽ കുരുന്നിൻ്റെ തൂവലായി തൂവാലകൾ തുന്നിയും പാടാത്ത പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈണങ്ങളെ തേടുന്ന കാറ്റിൻ്റെ ഓളങ്ങളിൽ ഉള്ളിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലെ നോവിൻ്റെ നൊമ്പരം ഒരു നാളിൽ സംഗീതമായി പുല്ലാങ്കുഴൽ നാദമായി. ഉണ്ണികളെ ഒരു കഥ പറയാം, ഈ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴലിൻ കഥ പറയാം.
कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो. हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो. चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है बस वो ही सब से हंसी है. उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो. हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो. हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो.
Thank you, teachers, for your eye-catching performances. Now I call upon children with their performances.
Good morning, my dear teachers and my dear friends. I am Ivan Dibuvarki from class 4B. Today I like to speak a few words on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14 in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Children loved him and respected him and called him Chacha Nehru. He wanted to be among children, play with them and talk with them. He had a great love with children. As Jawaharlal Nehru loved children, he raised the importance of children's education very much. He raised much awareness for the better conditions of children in the country. Let us call him again Chacha Ji. Jai Hind.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, first of all, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru was the first Prime Minister in India. He loved children very much. He compared children with buds of flower. Children
It is also called Bal Divas. On this day, schools and colleges organize various events like dance, drama, music, speech, essay writing, etc. Children take part in these activities and enjoy it. Sweets, books, gifts are distributed by the school to each and every child. Children's Day is a great day to take forward Nehru's dream in their education so that they can be valuable citizens of the nation. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today is November 14th. We are celebrating Children's Day. Today I will sing a song on Children's Day. We are the flowers in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the flowers in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the children. We want to shine. We are the children. We want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. We are the light in the darkness. We are the future of the nation. We are the light in the darkness. We are the future of the nation. We are the children. We want to shine. We are the children. We want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you for your performances. Now I invite Dia for the word of thanks.
My warm greetings to one and all. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to stand here to propose a word of thanks for this Children's Day. Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden. Childhood is all about being wild, having fun, and enjoying a carefree life. So enjoy your childhood till it lasts. To all the children, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. First of all, I would like to thank our principal and vice principal for their support and greetings. Secondly, I would like to thank our beloved teachers for making this program a memorable day for us with their performance and their blessings. Lastly, I thank all the students for their support and their contribution to make this event a successful one. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.